In this video, we're going to be asking somebody if they need help and how to respond. Help. My left hand or non-dominant hand is flat, facing up, palm facing up. My right hand, I'm going to make an A. And I'm going to put my hand right here in my left hand and pull up like this. Help. Help. Need. Your right or dominant hand, make an X, and then go up and down like this. Need. Need help, and then point to the person. Or you need help. Don't forget your facial expressions when you're asking a question. Help, need. And they might answer, or you might answer, yes. Make a fist, yes. Or no. Make a closed 3, and then your fingers are going to touch your thumb. No, yes, no. Help, need. So those are the ways that you can ask somebody if they need help.